Let me show you how to remove your front headlight of a BMW 1 Series F20 LCI Facelift. So we are going to be removing the driver side, but it's the exactly same as to the passenger side. First of all, you need to go ahead and remove your front bumper. They're held with few T30 on the top, 8mm around the side, 8mm around the bottom, 8mm around the other side, 8mm underneath from the side of the bumper into the wing, same from the other side. Now I do have a full detailed episode on how to remove your front bumper on this car. Go check my channel on the other videos. Car was obviously damaged, so we're gonna have quite a bit of an issue taking this one off. So I'm gonna force this bumper off, something like this. There you go. So just go over with it. So you have a T30 which comes off with the bumper, T30 on the back over here of your headlight. If I turn the headlight around, and on the bottom you have a T30 and you'll have a 10mm just over here. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and remove the T30 on the back of the headlight. And go ahead and remove the T30 in the back of the headlight. I had to jack my car up a little bit to get more clearance, but that's because the car was damaged from this side. Or you shouldn't need to do that to yourself. Should be able to get your hands on it. Once you remove that T30, you have another T30. Just about here you have another T30 going from the back again. Because the bumper's removed, you can go back from underneath from here and remove it. If I just demonstrate, so coming from the front underneath, you got your T30 here going on the back over here. So just get your ratchet like that and then just loosen it, and then you can do the rest by hand. So it's a bit tedious work. Okay, so look how long that is. Once you've removed the two T30s from the top, two from the bottom or behind the headlight should be loose and you should be able to take it off now. But we're obviously having an issue because our car's damaged, so it's stuck in there, so I'll have to pull it out. But if I come on to the new headlight, again, we got T30 when you take the bumper off, T30 behind the headlight on the top, turn the headlight around. You have T30 over here and T30 just over there. Once you remove all those four, then you have your headlight loom connector just over here. Now let me just go ahead and pull out the headlight, and then I'll show you how to disconnect your headlight loom. Okay, so finally we release the headlight. So that's the loom that I'm on about at the moment that you need to remove. This tab on the top, press on that. You also have a tab on the bottom, if I can get to it. I'll show you this one here. If this doesn't release, push the loom connector in and then press on this tab, and that will release it. Again, release the top one as well and just wiggle it out. Go ahead and remove your headlight. Guys, that's how you remove your headlight off a BMW 1 Series F20 F21 LCI Facelift. I hope you enjoyed the episode. If you haven't already, consider to like, subscribe and share. We'll see you in the next one.